We're going to make the questions a little bit harder by putting a leading coefficient, like a number in front of the x values. Same thing. We're just multiplying, okay? It's still FOIL. You just have to be a little bit more careful when you're multiplying. So FOIL. So we go first to first. 2 times 3 is 6. X times x, x squared. That's as hard as it got. Okay, that's what got harder. Then first outside O, 2 times -4 is -8, and then the x goes along with that one. The two middle ones are always just going to have an x in them for our course. Okay, for our course. -3 times 3 is a -9, and then there's an x. And then the last, I think I mixed up my colors, but that's okay. -3 times -4 is a positive because it's a negative times a negative. And 3 times 4 is a positive 12. Let's write those out. So we've got 6x squared minus 8x minus 9x plus 12. And then we go and put our two middle ones together. Nothing's going to happen to the 6x squared. Nothing's going to happen to the positive 12. But -8 minus 9 is -17. Please use your calculators. All right, FOIL, FOIL. Bing, 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 bing. So first, 2x times x. 2x squared outside. 2x times -6. 2 times -6 is a -12, and then the x goes with it. First outside, inside. +3 times x is a positive 3x. And then +3 times -6, positive times negative gives us a negative. 3 times 6 is 18. All right, let's put them all together. That was a little aggressive. 2x squared minus 12x. Oh no. Let me do it again. No, my writing's too big. I didn't control myself. Okay, let's try this again. 2x squared minus 12x plus 3x minus 18. The two pieces that are going to go together are those two right there. So our final answer is going to be 2x squared, -12 plus 3. Try it on a calculator. That'll bring us to -9x, and then minus 18. Let's do the try. FOIL. First, x times 3x. That's 3x squared. Outside, x times -1. That's negative x because there's a 1 in front of the x here. So -1 times 1 is -1, and then the x goes along with it. Inside, 2 times 3, positive 6x. And then last is 2 times -1, which is -2. So let's put those things together. 3x squared minus x plus 6x minus 2. Then we are going to group our like terms, and we're going to simplify. I'm just going to throw a little bit of pink here just for the students who are looking at the note. Okay, we do this, 3x squared. -1 plus 6, use your calculator, that's a positive 5x, and then minus 2. And this positive 5 came from that simplification. Expand the brackets using FOIL, then multiply by the constant in front. Let's make it a little bit harder. There's another thing multiplying here. First, we're going to FOIL. That's the first thing you're going to worry about. This is all one big thing. They didn't leave me a lot of room. I want to write out all of the things, though. Okay, I'm going to pause.